does.
It looks like it's the same age as the air conditioner. I don't see a date on it. I'm looking for a label,
Yeah.
which isn't here. There's an air filter that goes in here.
Yeah.
Right, so you should look at this about every month or so
Okay.
until you kind of establish what your routine is. Once it starts to get kind of gray and dusty, chuck it and put
Okay.
another one in.
Well, this is 90. Next inspection due 94.
Well, that's just what had to do with the servicing on the equipment.
Okay.
They apparently had a service policy through BGE Home,
Okay.
which you can do, and I like their policies. I think
Yeah.
it's a pretty good deal. Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe a couple $100 a year, covers parts and labor, so if there's a problem, they come out and they fix it for you.
Okay. I feel really ignorant. So this is for the water.
Hot water heater, yeah.
And why is this so small? What is it?
That's an expansion tank. This is the water heater.
It's just to have more water, or
No, it's because when the water inside here heats up,
Yeah.
it gets bigger. And to prevent it blowing up, you have a pressure relief valve on here and you have an expansion tank so the water kind of has some place to go.
I got you. Okay,
See?
that makes sense.
Yeah, ask tons of questions.
That I
George
should
will
or
tell you.
shouldn't? Okay,
Yeah,
good.
definitely.
Okay.
George will tell you everything.
Yeah. It's embarrassing, but I know very little about these sorts of things.
You got a newbie here, George.
I know. I'm a new one.
Well, I don't want to overwhelm her with too much information.
No, please do. Please
So
do.
I'll just give you the basics.
You tell me everything I need to know. Are you trying to find the date still?
Yeah, I think it's a 1986.
It looks like it could be 1986.
Yeah, so it's older than they know.
It's only younger than me by a year.
Oh my gosh.
It's been here as long as I have.
And you haven't even hit the prime of your life.
I know. What is all this?
That is chimney cement. Right, so this is the flue pipe that carries the exhaust gases from
Oh,
your
that's
burner
the flue.
and goes into the chimney. And this is there just to kind of seal that gap.
Oh, so this is
seal
the
opening.
chimney.
Uh-huh.
Okay, this is the chimney I was wondering about. All right.
All right, let me go turn that heat back off. I'll be right back.
Okay. It's like rusted all the way through.
It's actually cement, so anything that's in there isn't going to hurt it. Yeah, the hole. I tell you, they are indestructible.
These things?
Yes. You will never get it out of this basement.
Yeah.
It'll just be here forever.
I wonder if you could like fix it up though so it doesn't look so gross.
Oh yeah, you can paint them.
Oh, really?
Oh sure, yeah. Just get some concrete spray paint.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you get yourself a piece of cardboard, hold it around it, and then just spray the inside of the tub, and
Make
spray
it
the
look
outside of
pretty.
the tub, and do any kind of crazy colors you want. you know, give it a little, like you said, spiffy it up a bit.
Yeah. It's interesting. It's like, yeah, it's
It's a little
porous.
slow draining though,
Yeah.
just a little bit.
Just a little.
It's mostly thready.
A little drippage down here, but only one drop.
So it's a little bit more damp at the bottom of the wall than it is at the top of the wall. This is the side where the driveway is. We were talking about sealing up that gap out there.
Oh, yeah.
So, after the rain that we had last night, and we
Yeah.
had a very wet spring, this is the worst you get. It's not bad.
Oh, okay. That's good to hear.
These are poured concrete foundation walls, which are more resistant to water penetration than anything else.
Good.
Because of the density of it and all that kind of good stuff.
Good.
So that's about it for down here.
Okay.
Any questions for me,
This
Bailey?
is this slab foundation then?
No.
What is this called?
It's a poured concrete foundation.
Well, there wasn't an option for that on the homeowner's insurance thing. Is it
Well-
called basement?
Yes.
Okay. I was like, what do I pay?
Yeah, slab foundation would be if the house were just built right on the ground.
Oh,
No
okay.
basement.
So this is really better than to have the concrete.
Yeah. It's kind of unusual for a house this age to be poured concrete.
Yeah, that's what my dad said. He was like, we didn't have poured concrete. He's like, there's no way they weren't built before whatever year this house was built. in."
Well,
But
there's some around that were built in the 20s and 30s that have poured concrete, but not too many. It's much more common today than it was then.
do I just leave this then?
Like what?
That big tank thing.
Well,
What-
I'm going to recommend you remove it.
Oh, okay.
You know, it's empty right now.
Okay.
Um,
So it's not like a health hazard or anything.
Yeah, I mean, there's a little bit of oil on the bottom of it. You know, generally speaking, when you stop using oil, you remove the tank. But there's plenty of tanks that are sitting in people's basements.
Okay.
But yeah, my recommendation is to remove it.
And this thing? Is this?
That's just the shelf that they built there.
Oh, they
to
built over it,
Make
just-
use of that space
Gotcha.
right there.
All right. So nothing terribly alarming in the basement.
You got some rust on the flue pipe joints here.
Yeah. The
So-
chimney guy
Yeah, that should be replaced.
said that. Yeah. That makes sense.
You don't want holes there because then it can start to let exhaust gases.
And this rusty old thing? Is this an issue?
That's just a supply net.
Okay.
So in the summertime, if it's really hot and humid down here,
Yeah.
and then you turn the air conditioning on, it's going to sweat a little bit, just like a glass that likes to keep you sweat.
Okay.
So that doesn't really matter. The difference between this is just letting air into the room. This is letting combustion exhaust, which contains carbon monoxide.
Okay.
Hello, this is George. Yes. Yes.
I love that they have a new washing machine and a super old dryer.
Okay.
It's a gas dryer, and they do have a much longer life than the one up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Well, then we'll just do it
Yeah,
one by one.
that's your gas.
All right, thanks.
The blue thing.
Oh, so it uses gas. All right.
Yeah, it uses gas. And gas dryers tend to have a much longer life.
Okay.
They may not match.
I don't care about that as long as it works and it's not like completely eating like my utilities up. Somewhat efficient ish.
Yeah, an electric dryer uses a lot more energy than a gas dryer does.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's the heating oil that's in it, to dry your clothes.
I did not know any of this. I don't think you give these things any thought until you actually have to own one.
Yeah, why would you?
Like, it's in my apartment, I don't think about it.
And your clothes will dry faster in a gas dryer than they do in an
Really?
electric dryer. Yep.